there, I'm Amanda. Welcome back to 5 Minutes Cantonese. 大家好，我係 Amanda， 歡迎收睇5分鐘廣東話。Remember, what have we learned in our previous lesson? Right, we learned to do the housework. 做家務. Today is the part 2. Let's focus on the laundry today. Let's get started. First of all, how to say laundry in Cantonese? Pretty simple. In Cantonese, laundry, to wash the clothing. How to say? 洗衫, 洗衫. Do you know how to say washing machine in Cantonese? Right, we learned it before. 洗衣機, 洗衣機. Pay attention. Even it's in Cantonese, we don't change it to 洗衫機 because 洗衣機 is the proper name. 衣 means clothing in our written form, official form. So we cannot change the name, okay? So how to say to use washing machine to wash the clothing? Yes, very easy. 用 and then washing machine. 洗衣機 to wash the clothing. 洗衫, 用洗衣機洗衫. So after that, what we do? Right, to hang up the laundry. 晾衫, 晾衫. But pay attention, to hang it dry is 晾衫. But just to hang the clothing. So for example, after that, you hang the clothing into the wardrobe, okay? That hang is 掛 or 掛, okay? 掛衫 or 掛衫, okay? It's different. How about to fold the clothing? Yes. 摺衫, 摺衫. To fold, 摺. Sometimes you might need to iron the clothing. First of all, how to say the iron? 燙斗, 燙斗. How about to iron the clothing? Yes, use the first word. 燙 and then clothing. Yes, simple. 衫. 燙衫. 燙衫 for iron. 燙斗. The quantifier is simple. 割. Very good. Let's learn more vocabulary related to the laundry. For example, what is it? This is a hanger. 衣架. How about this? Wardrobe. 衣櫃. 衣櫃. So how to describe if the cloth is still wet or dry? First of all, wet. 濕. How about opposite? Dry. 乾. Okay, so if the clothes is still wet, in Cantonese, we like to say it this way. The clothes is not dry yet. So remember how to say not yet. Yes, we learned it before. 未, so not dry yet. Right. 未乾. So normally how to say the clothes is still wet in Cantonese? Right, we say it this way. 件衫, okay? 衫 means clothing. The quantifier of clothing is 件. 件衫 not dry yet. 未乾. 件衫未乾. 件衫未乾. Or you can also say the cloth is still wet. 件衫 still 仲 wet 濕. 件衫仲濕. Very good. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this lesson today. If you want to learn Cantonese with me, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you want more worksheet and supplementary audio exercise, please support my Patreon page. See you next time. Bye bye. 下次見.